What's up, New Mexico? This is Dennis here at Melloy Auto Group in Los Lunas. Right now I'm at Melloy Chevrolet, and I wanted to show you this that just came in. It's a 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe RST edition. And this has the luxury package, sunroof, max towing, tricked out, ready for you. And that RST package is beautiful. Special wheels. It's got a third row, of course. It's got the second row bench seat, which is power. It's got it all. So if you are looking for a vehicle, take advantage of the year-end specials going on here at Melloy Chevrolet. Check us out online at melloychevrolet.com. Give us a phone call, 505-866-3000, or just come on down and see us. We're right here on the interstate. I'm sure you can hear it. Exit 203, Interstate I-25. Easy to find, easy to deal with, but you got to come check this thing out. It is gorgeous. We've got a few more of these Tahoes right now, and so if you are looking for a vehicle and you want to end 2020 with a bang, come on, people. Come down and see us today. Check us out online, melloychevrolet.com. Give us a phone call, 505-866-3000, or just come on down and see us. We are here and we are ready for you. Don't forget, we've got employee pricing on a bunch of vehicles still. Plus, we are still running our buy a truck, get an ATV for $1, baby. But it's cold. I'm going inside now. So come down and see us. Don't wait. Don't miss this event. We are here. We're going to be here New Year's Day from 10 to 4. We'll be here New Year's Eve. We're ready for you. So come on, New Mexico. Come down and see us. This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet, your hometown dealership. Come on, people.